Alright, today's a very interesting day. My brother right here is gonna get his wisdom tooth removed. Apparently I can't go into the clinic to see the entire process and vlog it, but here's me thinking that, you know, I'm gonna get a funny video out of it because are you gonna be under anesthesia?
You will be burning. It's like that type of procedure. Dying.
Okay. This vlog might go up, it might not. I'm not too sure at this moment right now, but if it does, obviously like it worked to how I wanted it to. But basically I'm hoping I'm gonna get a good reaction out of his wisdom tooth being removed. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna go say bye to them and later continue on with the rest of the video once they come back home. Bye. Okay, bye. Oh man, what are the chances, right? I mean, each time people get their wisdom tooth removed, I'm pretty sure they're under anesthesia and like they like lose sense of reality and they start like, I don't know, they're like in a state of hypnosis, right? If I'm not mistaken, and they start blurting out stuff that they shouldn't be doing. I'm hoping that my brother comes back home immediately after the surgeries. Then, like, you know, when he's like in pain and stuff, he'd probably say something funny, or like, I'm hoping that's what will happen. I feel kind of frustrated and annoyed that, you know, I'm not able to be there to take a video of him as soon as he walks out and, you know, just mess around with him. But I gotta deal with, you know, gotta deal with it. I gotta deal with it, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, it's been a couple of hours since then. My brother just came back. I honestly, like, I wanted to record at the door as soon as he like came back, but you know, I was just thinking like he might be in pain and stuff, so I didn't want to I didn't really want to like do anything. So like, I'm just gonna let him explain, because this is obviously a memory for him, right? Like when he got his first wisdom tooth removed. So which this one? Okay, so apparently they removed this one. I don't think he's able to talk because he's in pain. Can I see the inside of your...
Kind of goes in the...
Huh?
Goes and
alright, okay. That's the teeth?
Oh, that's cotton.
Did you not bring back the teeth? No tooth fairy. Yeah, no tooth fairy for you lah.
Oh, so big.
And apparently, which teeth did they have to remove next?
Oh, this one's already coming out.
Okay, this one's the one to remove. Which is the one they removed? They removed this. This one's going to be soon.
Yeah,
okay.
This one hasn't grown yet.
Alright. Okay, so right now he's gonna be taking his medicine. Take out the cotton first.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm being sort of intrusive, but at the same time, like, these are all gonna be memories for him, so I just wanna like keep it stored for him. Why? How many stitches did you get?
4.
Oh, jeez. 4 stitches.
Supposed to be 2 or 3.
How come did you have 4? How come?
When I put the gauze, the flap was still opening.
Yeah. I don't know why it looks like it might be painful. Jeez. Let's see the inside of your mouth. Oh yeah, I'm not sure if it... Where? Where? I can't even tell. Wait. I really can't see. It's like all bloody inside. I think you have to wash your mouth first.
Ma, now gauze எடுத்துட்டேன். இப்போ நான் ப்ராப்ளம் எடுக்க வாய் ரின்ஸ் பண்ணணுமா? வாய் ரின்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டு ப்ராப்ளம் எடுத்துட்டு புது gauze போடணுமா வேணாம்? எப்படி செக் பண்ணணும்? ரத்தம் வருதுன்னா ரின்ஸ் பண்ணணும் இதுன்னு. ஏன்னா ஒன்றும் பண்ண சாப்பிட போகிறேன், ஸோ I thought waste பண்ணுவேன்.
Yeah, I'll try and get a better view of the inside later, but right now he has to like rinse his mouth and He also has to take his medicine, so that like let's get that done first. வலிக்குதா? Stitches எப்போ வெளியாக்கும்?
Next week?
Good thing you're here for like 3 weeks, right? வலிக்குதா?
Oh.
I ask you a question, okay, for all the people who are like, they haven't gotten their wisdom tooth removed and they're like scared about getting their wisdom tooth removed, give like your take on the experience. How did you feel like during the surgery? And
It wasn't that bad.
explain like what happened. Did they use anesthesia on you?
No, they injected the numbing thing.
Mm-hmm.
And then used the drill to remove it. It was very nice. The doctor explained it very well. It wasn't painful.
Were you scared at all?
No.
Not scared?
No.
Alright.
Just a little bit when the drilling happened. Because you can smell the smoke and stuff.
It's very surprising for me like how my brothers got to take out his wisdom tooth like before I even have to like. But yeah, like saying my brother is confident as he is right now and not even like being in pain or whatever, like literally like I'm not worried like when it comes for my time. So which now hold it like the camera can't focus inside. Hold it like
Oh, you can see it, right?
no, I can see it. I can't see it on the. Okay, I think I got it. Wait. It's just focusing. Alright, okay, so you can like see the. I mean, you can't. It was focusing, but like, okay, I mean, alright. So we couldn't really get a proper view just now, but yeah, at least like here we can see it properly. Like, okay, this is what the stitches look like. This is the inside of my brother's mouth, and yeah, I feel like that would have been a pretty good glimpse of what the stitches look like. Just 4 stitches, pretty. How long was the surgery for? Yeah, pretty quick surgery, like 1 hour surgery. My brother's chill, everything's chill. That's just been it for today so far. Let's see how the rest of the day goes on, and then like if anything else goes on or if anything needs to be updated, then yeah, we'll definitely be in the vlog. Alright, so yeah. Alright, so my brother's gonna have his first meal now after the surgery. Any pain? கஷ்டமா இருக்கு சாப்பிட.
Mouth is numb.
You wanna say anything?